At 1:30 a.m., we were woken up for one of the most challenging and rewarding adventures of our lives, the midnight ascent to Lenana Peak. It was freezing, only a few hours of rest.
Nothing visible.
Adrenaline was the driving force. I bundled up, packed my cameras, and headed out to join the team for a quick cup of tea in the night. We filled up with hot tea, biscuits, and popcorn before we headed out. The cold pierced through every layer of our clothing, but the promise of the summit kept us moving. Headlamps lit our path as we joined other groups on the trail, their silence reflecting a shared determination. For hours, we climbed in silence, the path steep and unrelenting. The world around us was pitch black, with only the glow of Ben's white jacket ahead of me reminding me I was on the right path.
I feel like telling you, Moende.
As dawn broke, every step was a battle. The sky transitioned from deep black to light, vibrant.
I feel like I'm delaying you guys.
With every upward glance, the world came to life.
Let us just here.
Though my legs and chest were exhausted, the beauty of the landscape inspired me to keep moving. Our guide James was the voice of persistence, urging us to take it step by step.
One step behind your partner. Keep it up. You can, I have to do it.
Whenever someone stopped, he was there, gently pushing us forward. With his encouragement, we pressed on, slowly but surely climbing higher.
Jesus.
Don't look at your body. I know now you're exhausted. Push up, and the altitude is still hard. You cannot leave you in this bed.
Finally, the summit was in sight, and I felt a surge of excitement beneath my exhaustion. Each step, though heavy as lifting a boulder, brought me closer.
One step behind her, and then one step behind you. That's why you can see where I'm stepping and
The icy stones reminded me to tread carefully, while the stunning views of Batian Peak pushed me forward.
Continue.
Jambo. Huh? Hey. Hata hapo nimemaliza.
The last stretch was the hardest. Every part of my body seemed to stop, but my mind was stunning.
Then you're almost there.
Kahora, kahora.
Karibu. Neguo.
Yes, sir.
The screen, okay? Don't touch it.
Step by step, we ascended, guided by the emergency ropes. Every part of my body screamed to stop, but my mind was determined.
I think so.
There they were, the stairs to the peak, the final gateway to Lenana.
lift it up. Make sure you step it out. Down. Unaona vile ameenda? Hapana, sio pande hiyo. Enda huko.
When I finally reached the top, I was greeted by a breathtaking view of the sun rising over the path we had climbed.
Unaona hii mawe? Ni slippery sana. Yep.
Cassidy and Jacob were there already, capturing the moment.
Hey, good, you guys did it. Lenana.
Good.
Yeah.
Pick it up.
This one, this British guy at the beginning didn't even stay for the sunrise.
Okay, the sun would down. No queue.
Sheila, the first of our team to summit, couldn't hold back her tears.
Are you crying? Well done, Sheila. Well done.
It was a shared moment of triumph, gratitude, and awe.
Before anything, I just want to rest. I just want to sit somewhere and rest. Let's see.
Just take your time. Relax.
Hongera. Hey, the way I'm tired. I'm not sure whether it was worth it.
It was, trust me. Look around you.
Sitting at the peak, I reflected on the journey. It wasn't easy, but it was worth every dwelling step. The rocks, partially covered in ice, seemed like nature's way of showing how beauty can emerge from even the harshest conditions. This mountain, this climb, was a testament of God's magnificence and grace. All along His hand guided me. When my body was tired, His Spirit guided me to the top. He is truly awesome. The picture shared here and more was after catching my breath. I picked up my camera with a smile to document the incredible views. The dry rocks and icy patches painted a picture of resilience and beauty. Each photo was a way of telling this unforgettable, beautiful story. It's good to be alive.